Hello friends, good morning. Today we are going to see about the scrolling board. For making the scrolling board, first of all we need the box. Box means dress box. This box I took it from the Pothys dress box. Long before for Diwali, that time I bought dress from the box. So I have this box. We can use the dress box or else silk saree box. Those box you need to keep it for scrolling box. Don't throw it away. Okay, take this kind of box and take only one side, not two sides. You have up and down portion is there. No, you have take the down portion, down box for making this scrolling board. Today the topic is about conversion within the metric system from the unit of measurements. Okay, topic is about conversions within the metric system for level 1. The scrolling board is for level 1. First we have to take this box, dress box. Then after that we have to put two holes. Look at here, two holes, this side as well as this side. We have to put two holes at the top and the bottom on both the sides. Look how I put. We have to put two holes at the top and the bottom. Then we have to take the stick. We have to take the stick like this. We have the bag, no, I don't know the name, shopkeeper bag, right? I got the shopkeeper bags stick is there in my house, so I took the two shopkeeper bag stick. Okay, this is shopkeeper bag stick only. So first we have to put the hole and we have to stick the, not stick, we have to insert inside on both the sides. Then after that first you have to insert on only one side, not both sides. First you have to insert on only one side at the top. Then you have to paste the A4 sheet paper, but this is not A4 sheet paper, this is legal size paper. If you have the legal size paper, then it's quite fine, but you don't have the legal size paper, then you can use it A4 size paper also, no issue. So I before starting the process, I just took 10 legal size paper and I just stick one by one. One paper at here, then another paper at the down, then another paper at the down. Then I just paste all the 10-12 sheets continuously. Then at the starting point, I just stick it in this scrolling board. Okay, then we have to write the topic. Let's say about the topic conversions within the metric system from level 1. Look at here, I am scrolling this one, then you can able to know. Look, I am scrolling at another side. If you scroll like this, then it will go up. At the down side, if you scroll like this, then it will come down also. At the upper side, at the top side, if you scroll like this, it will go inside. So look at here, the starting stage is at here, conversions within the metric system. I am scrolling down. So if I scroll down, then it will go up. Look, length 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeter, 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. Look how I am scrolling at here. Next we are going to see about the weight. 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. Next one is 1 gram equal to 1000 milligram, 1 gram equal to 100 centigram, 1 centigram equal to 10 milligram. Now I am scrolling this side also. Next one is volume. 1 kilogram equal to 1000 liter, 1 kiloliter equal to 1000 liter, 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter, 1 liter equal to 100 centiliter, 1 centiliter equal to 10 milliliter. Next one is about conversion of time. 1 day equal to 24 hours, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes, 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Next one is conversion of year. 1 year equal to 12 months, 1 month equal to 4 weeks. Okay. Next, 1 week equal to 7 days. The next topic is about leap year. 1 leap year equal to 366 days. That means 365 plus 1 day equal to 366 days. Okay, that's it. Now I'm scrolling down streak. Look, if I scroll like this, so all the above screens are coming down. If I scroll at the upper streak, then all the down screens are coming. If I scroll the down streak, then upper screens are coming like this. Okay, this is the way of scrolling board method. This is the way of doing the scrolling board method, like this. Then if we scroll like this, then all the down images used to come. Okay friends, if you like this scrolling board, like it, comment it, share it and subscribe our bell button for further updates. Hope you would like this one. Thank you friends. Please subscribe the bell button.